engineers at GMC gave the all-new redesigned Sierra the kind of look that makes a powerful statement and the kind of muscle that can back it up. The all-new GMC.
A civil danger warning has been issued for Shasta County, California, effective immediately and continuing until further notice. At approximately 6:50 p.m. PDT, local authorities received multiple verified reports of loud, unidentified vocalizations and heavy movement within the Shasta Trinity National Forest. Witnesses described the source as a large, unknown entity. Wildlife and law enforcement agencies are actively investigating. Residents within 10 miles of Big Flat, Trinity Center, and Coffee Creek should remain indoors. Avoid all forested and remote areas until this warning has been lifted. Do not attempt to investigate or approach the source of the noises. Secure pets, livestock, and outdoor belongings. If you observe unusual movement or hear abnormal sounds, contact Shasta County Sheriff's Office at 530-555-0132. This warning will remain in effect until further notice. Stay tuned to local media or NOAA Weather Radio for updated information. Do not call 911 unless you have a life-threatening emergency.
Incoming transmission from Novaria.
Are you there? Requesting immediate aid! Please!
Request denied.
A confirmed hostile entity has been identified within Shasta County, California. Wildlife and law enforcement officials have confirmed the presence of a large theropod-like predator within the Shasta Trinity National Forest. The creature is described as extremely aggressive, fast-moving, and capable of inflicting severe damage. There have been multiple incidents involving property destruction, and its behavior is considered predatory toward humans and animals. All residents within a 15-mile radius of Big Flat, Trinity Center, and Coffee Creek must remain indoors and secure all entry points. Do not travel at night and avoid forested or rural areas entirely. If you hear loud, unnatural roars or heavy movement, do not investigate. Law enforcement and federal wildlife response teams are en route to contain the threat. Report all sightings to the Shasta County Sheriff's Office at 530-555-0132 or through official emergency channels. This is an active and highly dangerous situation. Stay tuned to local media, NOAA Weather Radio, or official Cal EAS channels for further updates. Do not call 911 unless there is an immediate threat to life.
Whoa, with stuffed crust pizza, you can't go straight for all that cheese in there. Start slow, enjoy the ride, and then BAM! You go for the big.
A confirmed Spinosaurus has been located in the Shasta Trinity National Forest, Shasta County, California. This creature is extremely dangerous, highly mobile, and predatory. The threat level is critical. All residents within the following areas are ordered to evacuate immediately: Big Flat, Trinity Center, Coffee Creek, and surrounding rural and forested regions within a 20-mile radius. Leave immediately using the safest available route. Do not attempt to travel through forested or remote areas. Take essential supplies only. Secure pets and livestock, if possible. Follow instructions from law enforcement, National Guard, and CALOS personnel. Do not approach the creature under any circumstances. Monitor local TV, radio, or NOAA weather radio for real-time updates on evacuation routes and shelters. Shelters are being established at Reading High School Gymnasium, Shasta College Gymnasium. This is a life-threatening situation. Evacuate immediately. The Spinosaurus that was previously confirmed in the Shasta Trinity National Forest, Shasta County, has been subdued and is no longer a threat. Law enforcement and wildlife officials have confirmed the area is safe. Residents may now safely return to their homes. Continue to exercise caution in forested areas. Follow any local instructions regarding property inspection and cleanup. Report any unusual activity or wildlife sightings to the Shasta County Sheriff's Office at 530-555-0132. CALOS and local authorities thank all residents for their cooperation during this emergency.